oceans. Okay, you did. Have a great day. Okay, those are from like yard works. But those are the times. Oh, some of the handread articles. Start to show me on here. Yeah, thanks for hanging out. Thanks for joining in. But yeah, this one is maybe on here. Some of the skincare talks. Is that like maybe on this? Right. Actually, you can see from here. Okay, maybe on this one is easier. Right, some of the handread articles. I enjoy reading those too. Alright, from Yardworks. We have that, so this one is like the skin tone. Right, have a great day, and from Yardworks. Yeah, the Yardworks, where we can do some of the like garage yard where we can make together. Let me know too. I think that's gonna be fun. And some of the blog part and the story part, well, the blogs. And thanks to all those other people on the YouTube and everywhere who can make a good blogs too. That's really fun, and I enjoy that. Oh, Ole Amer, Ole Amer, Ole America. You're the treasure all the time. Such a good time. Some of the writing part, the blog part starts after this. Oh, wait. Thanks for hanging out. And we've got the let's listen this together. It's weird. It's supposed to be. Okay, that's here. So, thanks for writing. Sorry for the bite. Jesus. Jesus, love, oh God, mercy, oh your name. Oh, my throat. I have to prepare something. And also prepare the cooks. So a cooking is too. So it's gonna be really quick. Under the sea, such a good time in the ocean. We swam a lot. Me and my siblings. And sister. Me and my siblings. We swam. A good time. We have all the time enjoyable in the ocean. It was so clean and beautiful. I liked that. I loved that ocean so much. Don't you love the ocean? Yeah, don't you? So, the block part really. Oh, by the way, their blogs also helped when I couldn't speak English. Kind of before, their blogs really helped me a lot to study. So I think it's always great help. It is really good. Those interesting any of the broadcast or video site, the YouTubes, the blogs. Anyway, probably it was after or before when I was around 10 years old. Alright, some of the talks, some of the topics start here, and yeah. So me and my younger sibling, and the two of us usually together all the time, because when we go to different country as traveling, we are like all elements. We are like all small elements in ourselves. So we became really close. Some of me and my siblings, my sister, in the 90s, we became close. At that time, really close. Like a best friend. But in my school, I had my best friends and friends called like a family, because my closest three best friends, my friends group, none of them had a sister, so we were like a sister in a class. I had my sisters all the time together, but my first school before I transferred, they didn't have sisters. They had only brother or two of them, like Maria and Mary, and nickname Linda, Lisa, and like Lily, Linda. No, Maria and Lisa, they're only child, so they had no brothers or sisters. So we were the family, really close, like a family, like a blood family. We were. So when I had to transfer to the new school, it was really hard to all of us, to me and to one of my best friend too. Yeah, it was. Yeah, but we overcame, probably. Okay. Other story is when me and my sisters and siblings, when we rode airplane, I noticed. I think that was my younger sister. She noticed there are stairs, and my siblings noticed. Oh my gosh, there are stairs. To go to upstairs, to go to the second floor. In an airplane. That was a jumbo airplane. It's huge. Like 300 people in the same airplane. We were riding it. And me and my younger siblings, our family, and there are so many other families. And the business people are there too. It was a long time ago, before we all got married. And before I got married, my second marriage of the past too. So in the 90s, and I really wanted to go upstairs. The second floor, I wanted to see. Oh no, but was it? Yeah, it was not the VIP place. Well, if my dad didn't get a colon cancer, probably we could ride the airplane more often, because he had to go through that surgery. He just have to cut that stem, that tumor part. So if it didn't happen, we could ride a VIP in an airplane a lot, but it didn't happen because of some of the situation happened long time ago. But so by the way, so my mom was really financially scared, worried too, because we just got my mom got pregnant, and we just got at that time we just got a house, so we had a huge mortgage, and dad got cancer, and my mom got pregnant. No, first we got a new baby, it was not planned. It was surprise. But yeah, but it was blessed. What? Oh my gosh, how are we going to do it? I was shocked. I was a little bit disappointed, and my dad's brother was also, it's we can't afford. We are like that, and I knew that, but yeah, it's a long time ago. We're really happy that we got the other baby too. It was really, and yeah, and right after that, my dad got the big disease. It was called cancer in the 90s, a long time ago. So yeah, so it's three big things happened in our family. So yeah, some of the older siblings and me, we had to be really careful financially. We were we are really financially, we are very can you hear this again? So yeah, financially we are very tight at that time. But anyways, we still could ride the airplane anyways. Maybe after that or something, because of the company was supportive, a good company. Yeah, some company were really good. So right, yeah, but we had really good time there. We like a entire family were like a comedian many of the times. So that's why we probably could survive many of the things around those dark time in our family. Really long time ago. Try to make it like a light, because it's this channel and this site is supposed to be not serious talks and not the heavy talks. And so yeah, the airplane, I was so amazed. It was the first time. Yeah, it was almost, it was the first time I saw the stairs in an airplane. It's like, oh my god, I really wanted to go upstairs. I just wanted to see it. No, I couldn't see it because there are the stewardess there all the time and checking us, so I couldn't go. Me and my siblings, we couldn't go upstairs. Yeah, we couldn't go. We couldn't break the rule. But yeah, I just wanted to go and just to see. We were so excited in that huge jumbo airplane. Long time ago in the 90s. Yeah, thank you, good people. Thank you for the connections. Or, by the way, we can. Yes, I think one of the things we can make these things together really easily. Some of my friends have exactly same room. Her decoration, it's in a cowboy area. And more than 12 years ago, her room was also really, really nice. Just like my type of the decorations, at that time. Right, thanks for hanging out. I love Alpha Z too. They're good too, but those are other